Hi guys, welcome back everyone. Come back in the cooking with Ngoc. And today we will cooking the Vietnamese food called Wonton. We can cook wonton. You can buy wonton skin in the Asian shop. We have chicken mince, onion, string onion, carrot and pea. And we have oil, fried onion, salt, sugar, chicken stock and pepper. Now invite everyone, come here, join in the cooking with Ngoc. We have start now. First, we put chicken and onion, spring onion, carrots and pea. And next, we put little half teaspoon oil, and little bit salt, and little bit sugar. And two teaspoons chicken stock. Two. And 1 teaspoon pepper. Now we can mix together. All phần wonton skin. Now we start. Yeah, I can. We start. Take 1 teaspoon meat and put here in the middle, and then we take 4 corners and yeah, then you turn. Yeah. Wait, and one more. Okay, now we start put in the steam. Now we cook this, we make this one and we can fry in here. This easy because when you make this one, you can fry, you can steam and you can cook with soup. I show you after. Yeah. Okay, now before we have fry the wonton, first we put more oil in the pan, and then the oil you feel hot, and we start put wonton. Yeah. Nice smell. We cook wonton. That's good for children, healthy, and that can for children finger food. Easy to cook and you steam. Healthy for children, and you make this children can finger food, can drink for lunch in school at school. Now we cook done and that's steam and deep fry, and when at home you can steam and you make some soup and you can put steam in the soup. Yeah, you eat soup. We put the wonton steam in the soup, and we put dry onion and spring onion and little bit pepper, and this we can eat with soy sauce at home. Now finish, we can cook wonton with soup, with rice and steam, and you can cook at home for lunch, dinner, and at home we can eat the soup with soy sauce or fish sauce, which one you like. And finally, I hope everyone enjoy in the cooking with Ngoc, and don't forget like and subscribe in our channel please.